So where are we going to go from here? Where is the crypto market going to go? I want to talk to you about the next 10 days or so and a very major event out there for us as far as crypto goes, and that is the Fed meeting. So if you look at crypto right here, right now, obviously today we have a down day. It's Saturday. Yesterday we were up. Overall, Bitcoin, Ethereum, up respectively. Today we've had a pullback, and I frankly think that is what is going to happen over the next 10 to 12 days as we lead up to the Federal Reserve, the Fed meeting that starts on July 26th later this month. Because here's why. If you don't know the landscape, or you kind of don't know what's going on, that's what the point of this video is to real quickly give you an update on what is going on and where we're headed with crypto. And by the way, video for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And of course, this video is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so here we go. So we had the CPI inflation data report came out on Wednesday of this previous week. It was not good. We came in at 9.1%. It was up 1.3%. more than we were expecting. We were expecting about an 8.8% number. We got 9.1. May not sound like a big delta, a big difference, but it was. It was dramatically bigger. Most of it, by the way, was driven by higher gas prices. And so with all that said, that inflation data report drives the Fed's decision to raise or not raise the base interest rate. Now, if you remember, in June, we got a inflation data report that came in at 8.7, and that was kind of in line with what we were expecting. We knew it was going to be bad. So in this scenario, we got a much worse CPI inflation data report. Therein lies the problem. Okay, so therein lies what I think is going to happen from now leading up to July 26th is we're going to have a tremendous amount of volatility. Now, it might be a positive day followed by a negative day, or we could have just kind of negative rolling down. Now, either way, I have a long-term buy and hold mentality, buy and hold. That's how I look at crypto. And then there are sometimes assets that I will look at short-term profits and things like that. But at the end of the day, this is where we're at. And I think that we're going to, everybody's almost like waiting with like we've inhaled and we're waiting to exhale as it relates to the Fed's decision. What I think is going to happen is that the Fed, we know, is going to raise the rates. The question is how much. So most likely we're going to get a 75 basis points raise. And I think what will happen when that when that decision, or if that's, let's say that's the number that comes in, 75 basis, that number is going to be built into the crypto market by the time we arrive at the July 26th date. Means the people will kind of like, okay, making assumptions along the way, and we will have most likely moved down a certain percentage or certain number in the overall crypto market capitalization. And then we'll have the day of the decision. We're going to have a knee-jerk reaction. Crypto will probably drop on that day and probably most likely bounce back. Because I'll take you back to the day that we actually got the CPI data report. Crypto dropped dramatically, was down dramatically most of the day, but it came back at the end and repaired most of those losses. So this is what you need to know as far as kind of where we're at and what we're going to see for the next, leading up to the July 26th scenario is volatility, probably mostly downward volatility, some type of a shakeup on the decision, because we're expecting 75 basis, but if we get 100 basis points, that might be big enough or bad enough from a market perception to dramatically move us down. Okay, so wanted to give you kind of an update on what I'm seeing in the overall crypto market. And again, I appreciate your time. Thank you for supporting myself, my channel, my videos. As always, I appreciate you. Go make some money. Have a good one. See you. Bye.